How to change your public address on MetaMask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your public address on MetaMask app. So first thing we do is we go to MetaMask. As you can see, this is my account. Now if you want to share your address to public, you need to click on those three lines right here, and after that you go to share my public address, and here you go, you can share it in any social media or whatever you want. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching till the end.